what's happening in the Gen Z world, man. Just
Yeah.
give us
Gen Z world,
This is more
huh?
of a Gen Z report.
Yeah, we
have.
decided to
Gen
bring
Z
you back as our Gen Z correspondent
Gen Z
because
correspondent,
you know
you
it's
guys told me.
important. So don't you guys feel like this term "goat" used to mean greatest of all time, but
Yeah.
now it just means someone you like, who you think is you respect.
Right.
Like this guy's my goat. Oh,
Correct.
he's my
First
goat.
of all, there's no my goat.
yeah, my greatest
There is
of all
a
time.
goat, the
yeah,
goat.
yeah, the goat.
There is my
But
goat.
sometimes
makes no
there are
sense.
multiple, no? Like you
But
can't have
how
one
can they all be
definite.
greatest by definition is like pinnacle? There are usually
Yeah.
one, right? Like I saw one guy who's like he's like Benzema, Salah, and Ronaldo, and like Theo Walcott are my goats. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Like he has 4 goats
Yeah,
in
they're on
one
FIFA.
category.
And none of
FIFA.
them,
yeah.
none of them are actual goats.
Yeah, you don't think so?
I don't think.
Who's the goat?
Who's the guy? You're a Ronaldo guy, right?
No,
I'm a Ronaldo
Messi.
guy, yeah.
Oh, you're a Ronaldo.
Yeah. But
United.
I can see why Messi would be the.
You can see why. Wow.
You know what? This is the ultimate. This is what clinches the GOAT debate between those two.
Yeah.
Like Ronaldo fans can always see
Yeah.
why Messi would be the GOAT.
Yeah.
No, Messi fans say I can see why Ronaldo is the GOAT. That has never happened
Because Messi
he's-
fans are a little
he's-
irrational, that's why.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
And not because you know inside that Messi is the GOAT.
So you are Messi guy, huh?
It's not I am the Messi is the GOAT. Like he's saying, it's not about
What about Pele and all that?
opinion.
Pele.
Pele, bhai, Pele hum ji jaan se bhai. Pele is not like a real. He's old, bro. He's old.
Pele
He's
hum
dead
ji
actually.
jaan se. It's like a porn title.
Yeah, that's what. It's a
Pele
porn
hum ji-
version of that movie.
Pele hum ji jaan se.
Pele is like. Yeah, it's you can't compare generations. That's the
Yeah.
truth. Like it's like people who now say.
Yeah, every generation can have a goat.
Yeah,
That you can have. See, now that is better than.
Like they say that can Federer, defeat the
Alcaraz or whatever.
Alcaraz and all. You can't compare. Like also with sport, they just get more physical
Yeah.
and more nutrition gets better.
Today I was discussing with someone on the Federer thing where like the audacity or just the call to have a single hand backhand
Yeah.
in a double hand backhand world,
correct,
right? That's
correct,
just like,
correct.
bro,
Badass.
that alone.
Yeah,
But
is a
that
goat
cost him a lot of titles.
But that's still.
Yeah.
that's called
There's
swag.
a
That's called swag, bro.
losing with.
But I mean, he won so much. You
He won
can't call,
20.
this guy's the first guy calling Federer a loser. It's like not enough
I'll tell
titles
you
for
why.
you, man. Federer is my worst of all time.
It's a vote.
I'm a Djokovic fan, but I
Same,
will say
yeah.
Federer
I
is.
love Federer also, but like Nadal,
Yeah.
when his interview, they asked like, "What is your game plan against Federer?"
Yeah.
He's like, "I only go for his backhand."
Yeah.
So that's like.
No, but that's what, right? It's like, you're
should
thinking like a rational person with sport, right? You're thinking on a winning level.
It's emotional,
Yeah.
man.
But like, if you look at like, I mean, I don't want to say the word art, but I want to say it.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't want to say the art with 3 paintings behind you. I don't want to say something as tacky as that.
But it's art. Like it's.
But
it
you
is
are
art.
saying he's
Flair.
your goat then.
Yeah, he's
which you
my,
are-
like just like Messi. Like,
But you just said my goat should not be there.
no, I'm saying
My
that.
goat is when someone comes to
Yeah, to
at
come
your-
to in a my gate.
Hey, my goat is here.
Somebody.
No, that should be an app. That
Yeah,
would be
my
yeah,
goat.
The mother goat has to approve and.
yeah.
But
Pre-approved.
Yeah, it's this one. It's like having the conviction to be like that.
Yeah.
To be different.
Who are your goats, man?
My goats, huh?
Just general.
Djokovic,
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Ronaldo.
Yeah,
Less-
see,
less
they're
nice.
both the same. Like
Yeah.
they're both like like one brute force. Like
Yeah.
just do the same thing again and be the
Mentality.
best at
Correct.
it. Yeah.
Consistency.
Mentality,
Yeah, and like basketball, it'll be like probably
Jordan.
LeBron.
Like-
Jordan, yeah, fair, same.
Okay. Huh.
Jordan is even more is one. That's what my basketball is Steph Curry. That's also
No, Steph Curry is
the
awesome.
more.
Steph Curry is
Oh.
more the Messi
Yeah.
guy.
Messi-esque.
Yeah. And in that sense, yeah, Federer is the Messi guy.
yeah.
But Djokovic I like because I started liking him because of the hate he would get and he would still win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
that he could beat the crowd. That
It's
is
like Sachin Kohli
insane.
types.
Huh?
Sachin and Kohli types. It's the same thing, I think. Sachin is more
maybe.
Like,
Messi-esque.
see,
Maybe.
yeah. No, Sachin is like
More Messi type.
Messi. Mm.
Yeah. Between Sachin and Kohli, I like Rohit Sharma the most.
Okay.
Because Rohit Sharma is the art guy again.
Yeah.
He's just great to watch. And of course, he's not as consistent as
He is
either of
kind
these
of.
guys. Not as much as
Yeah.
Kohli.
Yeah.
Like the mindset thing, Kohli is like
Yeah.
top.
Crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, that he modeled himself on Ronaldo, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can see that, but when Rohit Sharma hits, like it's just you gotta watch. That guy,
Yeah.
like best,
Yeah.
best.
I
Elegant.
skipped cricket during the Rohit Sharma time. I just didn't watch cricket, so I never saw the Rohit Sharma peak.
Oh, the
Yeah.
264 and all you're not seeing.
No.
That whole part I missed. Like Kohli coming up, I saw.
Yeah.
Kohli peak, I saw, and then after that, Rohit Sharma peak started. By the time I stopped watching
Yeah,
cricket.
Rohit Sharma also he sort of became consistent in the latter half of his career. He had a lot of
Yeah.
potential and not
Post
living up
30,
to
just
it.
got like picked
Yeah,
up.
he became.
But that's how much Kohli is better. 2019, Rohit Sharma scored 5 centuries in the World Cup.
yeah,
Kohli was still number 1.
yeah.
So yeah,
No, Kohli's he's no one's gonna say he's not good. They
Yeah.
can't
But-
say that.
fair enough.
But yeah, talking about sports, I heard you
Yes.
had a breakup. We're getting
turning-
sad, guys. Sad
Oh,
time.
shit.
Gokul
No.
Kumar, freshly single.
I didn't know Gen Z is even doing things
Yeah,
like
how do Gen Zs
dating.
break up?
How do you break up when you never date?
Breakup,
Huh?
bro. No.
No, you were like in a proper full-time
full-time
relationship.
relationship. Yeah.
And now it's your exit interview has happened.
Exit interview has happened. Yeah, it was very very mutual only. So
Oh, nice.
nothing sad. I asked her multiple times, "Is it mutual?" She said yes. That's all.
Yeah, that's
There
how we
we
know.
go. I can see the beginning of the bit already. This is on stage. This is how he
Stage, huh?
opens. Yeah.
It's a mutual one. I asked her multiple
Yeah,
times.
mutual. It's mutual.
Have you guys had mutual breakups?
Mutual breakup. Yeah, sort of. But it's not really
It's
ever.
never
It's
mutual.
never
It's
actually
never
mutual.
mutual.
It's like one of you has to convince the other it's mutual, and the other
Right.
has to either accept or be in denial and say,
Yeah.
yeah, it is
Right.
It's the
mutual.
person who says the least, sorry, let's get back together.
Yeah.
Their breakup it is.
yeah.
Like when even
Yeah.
when we fight, like whatever, like she'll say, "Oh, I want to break up." I'll be like, "Oh, I'll also want to break up."
Yeah.
And then she'll say sorry. I'll be like, "Yeah."
So that's your point.
Yes,
Ah,
1-0.
It's a game of chicken. That's what they
Yeah.
game of chicken.
Chicken is
And
chicken
after
over.
breakup, you'll have that like when you leave your college, you don't like your college when you're in the college, but once
Yeah.
you leave the
Yeah,
college,
right,
you're
yeah,
like,
rose tinted glasses.
rose tinted classes.
That's,
the
the
term,
even
yeah.
Seinfeld had a premise on that, no? Where that
We don't talk about that guy anymore, man.
Jerry. Okay, George Costanza had a premise on that, right?
George's friend.
George's
What
friend.
happened to Seinfeld?
No, that they say
He's
no. When you
cancelled.
climb the stairs up to your ex's house is when you remember
How bad it
the
was.
bad part.
Oh, when you
Oh.
okay, until then you're excited.
yeah, excited.
that's
When you
true.
climb it, that's when it flashes back like, oh, this
This
is
usually
why.
when you go down after leave.
whoa.
Hey, oh,
It's a family-friendly broadcast. Oh, come on, dude. Come on.
he's a
We don't do those things.
What is this pre-nut clarity?
pre-nut. This is like what's that song? You know that Chris Isaac song is considered the most romantic song ever.
Oh, Wicked Games.
Wicked Game.
Oh yeah.
So he wrote that. He said he wrote that when someone he had broken up with said come over,
Huh.
and on the way there he had this thought this is gonna be really bad.
yeah.
But he
That's-
went.
He went, but he's
Yeah.
saying, when you go and you're like, this is gonna be, I shouldn't be doing this.
But you
Yeah.
still do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. What to do.
That's I mean,
That is Wicked Games. I didn't know this.
yeah. I mean, the song became what it became, but that's where the
Yeah.
idea came from. He said,
But yeah, man.
Gen Z breakups. Nothing
man.
different, dude. What is different about the Gen Z breakup?
You
And-
tell us. Like when we break up, it's different. Like
you
there's
go
a lot
on.
like,
what do you guys
You
like?
guys go on Twitch and start talking
Streaming.
to people. You're like chat, break up OP in chat or whatever. I don't even know.
no, what do you watch? Like I Show Speed breakup advice.
Yeah. He's like, do 2 backflips, jump over a Lamborghini.
How to move on
Yeah.
I show speed.
Go run behind Ronaldo and you'll be fine.
See you, sweet.
Yeah.
Well, love is same, bro.
Love is same. Love is timeless, is it?
Love is
Love,
timeless. Yeah,
This
come
is like
on, bro.
Interstellar.
Like,
Nice
Love
to
is-
know the next generation is also as hopeless as ours.
Hey, man, I have no problem with love, dude. This generation also is. What
I
are you
really
saying?
can't take it seriously when this guy
What?
talks like this.
About love?
Yeah, it's like someone being like, yeah, Hitler was a good painter. It doesn't it doesn't matter. It
No,
doesn't
what?
work.
How is that the same?
What is this analogy? you just-
As in, this guy is not known for talking about
Yeah,
love.
so that is the power of love. It
yeah,
just
but
changes
people
you.
change, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, that's true. That's what Clinton said about Hillary also.
About Monica.
No,
Yeah.
Monica, oh my
So
darling.
sad that woman has to defend this guy for
Yeah.
so many years.
I
But as
swear.
elders, what advice?
Breakup advice.
Break-
As
advice.
elders, I'm advised shut the up for calling me elder. Breakup advice, bro. You just
Homie.
time, bro. You have to go through it, man.
Yeah.
The time is the only thing that will heal this wound.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's the
And,
same only.
Also, yeah, fill your
Day up.
day up with distractions.
You took way too long to say the next 3 words after
fill your
that.
day up.
Yeah.
Fill your
Day up with women.
This will beep and like ask people to guess or something.
The whole thing will be. They'll be like, "What was that whole beep?"
No, man, you have to.
You have to feel the emotions, right? That's what you're
I
saying.
mean, see, the thing is that it's like
Feel
you,
my love. That's a song, right? Feel my love.
you have to feel it, but
Yeah.
like you can't like let it like overpower
That's
you.
true.
You can't let that happen.
Love,
but
not
some-
OP in
your
chat.
your mind is a great slave but a horrible boss.
Wow.
Are you guys like this? Is like some stoicism or something? Like
No,
that?
it's not. Sorry, this is what is that guy's name? I keep forgetting that guy's name. The 3-word guy. Which book he has on Deadly? He's very verbal.
Oh, I win or something. That one.
Not you can win.
You can win
You
a Shiv
can win.
Khera.
Shiv Khera, I thought.
That's
No.
not. That's like the guy who motivates all cricketers to bowl spin well. Like all the spinners, best hero is Shiv Khera. Harbhajan Singh's idol and shit.
Oh yeah, David Foster Wallace.
David
Oh, he's
Foster.
David Foster
Wow.
Wallace.
That's like
Inherent
DFW, yeah,
Infinite
that's a-
jest. Yeah.
yeah.
Infinite
What
jest.
did you choose out of all the
No, so
body
the
of
thing is
work
that
he
there
has?
is a TJW and there's a DFW. So for me, TJW came to my head. So
Who's TJW?
it's
Him also you leave
yeah,
it.
I don't know, I forgot. Yeah, but yeah.
Leave it. WSJ, I know, Wall Street Journal.
Yeah.
David First of
but-
all, is that movie that Jason Segel, that bandana and all
Yeah,
that.
the end of the tour.
Yeah, very good movie.
David
yeah.
Foster
Jesse
Wallace, you
Eisenberg.
should listen to
That speech, right?
That
yeah,
speech.
that water. That one.
Water.
Yeah,
I've heard,
yeah,
I've heard.
yeah.
is deadly. So that's it. His, I mean, it's an old quote, but he said it in
Right,
this.
right,
where,
right.
like, you
Like
have to-
asking the other fish, like,
Yeah.
how does the water feel?
how
Like,
does
we're
the
in
water feel
like,
and what is water?
yeah.
So you have to understand it, but you can't let it overpower you, bro. Come on.
Correct.
Interesting. Oh, wow. Finally, we got to the end of that whole thing.
Thought, yeah. This is
man,
like your
you-
failure.
Yeah. And what else can you do?
You have to get on the dating apps, bro. Come on. Let's make your profile right now. What's
Hey.
it?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. You're now what? You're 20?
6.
26, bro.
Man.
Just-
Ripe age.
just-
Ripe age for a breakup.
Just start, get on the apps and.
But
you know,
don't you guys feel like, okay, when you take some lessons from this relationship and then you do some things different?
you should ideally, yes.
You guys do that? Or what?
I would like to think I have, but yeah, some patterns repeat. You won't fix it in
so you
one
can't
go.
fix it only, you're saying?
No, you can fix it. It takes a lot of trial and error and a lot of learning because the first X and the X can vary for different people.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
first X times you go through this,
Yeah.
you won't.
think it's their
Yeah,
fault.
you'll think it's their fault. It's
Right.
only after
No,
that.
I know my faults.
Sure,
like,
I mean,
again.
I'm like
Yeah.
you will.
Oh,
but
you're
I'm
saying for different people it's
more
different,
and more
yeah.
time, more experience will remind you. Oh wait, I am common to all of this.
This
right?
is true, actually.
So I know that I've done this,
sometimes
this.
you have to see somebody else do something wrong to
Yes.
realize, I do the same thing.
Yeah,
like, it's
100%.
Like,
Yeah.
seeing
Because you're-
somebody else drunk.
It's much easier to
Yeah.
tell someone else advice that should apply to yourself.
Correct.
Yeah.
You
it's-
try to introspect, but your introspection has blind spots.
It is true. It is true. You know yourself too well sometimes.
Yeah,
That's
man.
the problem.
Oh, you guys know yourself too well.
No, now I mean we're 35 years old, bro. We have to know something.
I hope so. I would
Yeah.
hope so.
Yuck.
I
What is
will-
that age, bro? What do you guys...
35.
I'm not even 35. I'm older, way older.
Man,
it's
I saw
fine.
your LinkedIn's. I know you guys' real ages. So, yeah.
I'm 35.
Yeah.
Why should someone lie about 35?
Only a 26-year-old will think like that though. Like
Yeah,
even when
like-
we were that age, I was like 35.
35,
I'll
35 is
shoot myself.
crazy.
Yeah.
I will shoot myself. at
You
that.
won't. You'll be at 35. You'll be running marathon and all because I can see it in you. We are not lame enough to do that, but you will do it.
Just because I called you elder.
No, I'm just
TCS half marathon.
sorry. I said lame. That's ableist. You
Oh, yes.
are.
Dumb.
You are.
Dumb is also ableist, but wow.
You are. Insert word here that's acceptable enough to.
Alright.
Lame is ableist.
Yeah, because
I am-
lame.
Oh, lame. Okay, like, a lame leg.
subpar
lame
coolness or something. Like,
Subpar coolness.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, like that's the thing. Like that
We are
gets
lame,
it
yeah.
across,
We are
right?
lame, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to get on the apps, bro. What is it? So,
Apps,
what do you take? What is your moratorium? That is at like notice period. Like after a breakup, how long do you take to get back on the apps? What's in your head?
Like again for a serious relationship.
No, I mean
No,
that
to-
depends.
That, like,
Right. Sorry, what?
Whoa.
that depends.
Yeah, that
Oh,
depends.
that depends.
Huh.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can't. I don't know. I don't see myself date right now.
That's
Whoa.
fine. It's fine. If it
Yeah, it's
doesn't
good,
work,
man.
Yeah.
Whatever. Take
some-
whatever time you want.
Yeah, man.
In fact, just go to a ashram and just end it.
Dude, a Vipassana would be deadly.
That's like
now.
not talking for
Yeah,
30 days.
14 days.
Fuck, I can't do
I
that.
mean,
Can't
there
do
are
that?
multiple days.
Huh?
You can't do that.
No. They no phones also.
Nothing, no
I'm
contact.
addicted to my phone. I have to.
That's anyway you should stop. Whether you're dating or not dating, that's something worth
What is your
fixing.
screen time? What is this?
I literally have recently switched on that what do you call it, where you
Yeah, the blocks. The
blog.
limiter.
It blocks my apps, so
Yeah.
they've brought it down to 3.5 hours a
For
day.
the entire day.
Yeah,
Right now, what is it?
it'll be if the days I don't switch it on, it'll go to 8 hours a
No
day
way.
and all. Yeah, yours is.
It's 10 right now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's only 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's like, were you in like some other country when you started measuring, dude?
My 3.5 hours right now.
Right now?
Right now, 3.5.
Holy shit.
Let me
Even I
search.
also, I have Instagram, YouTube is blocked. I like.
So what do you guys do during the day?
Yeah, today I've.
I,
No, 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours.
yeah, and I like use a laptop. I watch
is-
things on laptop.
This is,
No, but
suspicious
I
activity.
also go up to. I have gone up to 10, 11 hours.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is true.
Especially when you like release a video, you're
Yeah.
Yeah.
because then
It takes
yeah.
so
But the
long.
laptop screen time you're not counting.
Yeah,
only,
yeah,
so
yeah,
that
that's what
is
he said,
so-
yeah.
yeah. There's a lot of, but laptop screen time is better
Video,
than
this is
phone
true,
screen
but-
time.
Huh?
Video releasing
When
is
you when you
true,
release
yeah,
a video,
yeah, yeah.
it's just like
it takes so
mayhem.
long to realize if you refresh, likes won't increase. It takes so long to realize.
Yeah.
No, but that's the thing with these comments, right? Like one bad comment triggers you, but like 100 good comments, you're like, of course,
Yeah.
I'm awesome. Right?
Yeah.
But one guy who's like, "Hey, off," you're like, huh?
Yeah.
You go to his profile, you check what he
Yeah.
does.
Yeah, if you're watching this, I've just released a video. Please comment and like.
Yeah.
I need it.
I found one study though, which is like Gen Z are drinking way
less.
Less.
way
Lesser.
less. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I heard that.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a. Yeah. Is that a vape? Are you drinking a vape right now?
Is that cool?
Gen Z vapes a lot, right?
Gen Z vapes a lot, but drinking industry has made some 75 lakh crore loss or something.
Honestly, I'm glad.
In
Good-
the
good
last
for
4
them.
to 5 years, because Gen Z are going like, we want to be sober.
But why do you think that is?
Mental health one, I think.
I
Then
think
they're
it's
like-
also the fundamental generation rebellion. Like you always do the opposite of what the previous
Previous
generation
one,
does.
But
Yeah.
why did that not affect alcohol till now?
Yeah,
I think the hangover is the big one.
What?
I think more young people are getting hangovers now.
Why would they get more than before?
Like something,
This is some
something in the
conspiracy
air.
theory.
Something in the air. Something like maybe
Something
that
in the air?
cocktails.
And Gen Z is way more likely to like ask accountability from the government.
That's
Like,
true.
unlike
You
your
guys are
generation.
proving it. You are proving it. We have
True.
to give it to them.
True.
Yeah.
Our generation, we were too much under the influence of our parents
No, but-
generationally.
We asked accountability at that in 2014.
Yeah.
And then
Then we couldn't
and
ask
we got
anymore.
it.
we asked it, we got
And
it.
the rest
Yeah.
is
And then
history.
now it's like, hey, you guys ask now. We asked once.
We asked, they didn't answer.
Yeah.
Now you ask. I can't ask
It's
twice.
like when the
But
ball.
this quote, rest is history, you can use it for anything.
Yeah, and the
Yeah,
rest is
yeah.
history.
Just like say
For
anything.
It's
And then
anything.
rest
It's like
is-
when like a ball goes to like a neighbor's house. Once you'll go, and then next time you'll send someone else, right? That's
That's
a
right,
generation
that's
thing.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember in school, right? We had this history teacher,
Okay.
and she would like fall behind in the portions like crazy because there's too much history, right? So she would literally take other people who finished their portions, their
Or like their
periods
periods,
towards the
yeah.
end of the year.
Oh yeah.
So suddenly it's like morning physics and then 6 periods of history, bro,
History,
back to
shit.
back. Imagine learning that much history.
That's
so when someone
crazy.
asks me what is the schedule today, I'll be like, first physics and the rest is history.
All this for that
got you.
joke.
I
All
got
this for
all
that
of you.
jokes.
I got all of you, man.
Hey,
At
man.
home, I got you. Maybe not. Maybe we'll cut it. So maybe I didn't get you. I don't know.
But I had a great history teacher, bro.
Really?
She used to tell me like,
Is it life? Now, what is your history teacher? Let's hear it.
Hey man, Shamik, Control, man.
Control, bro. Don't talk to elders like
What is
this.
this? What is this Ankh energy?
Oh, yeah. This is the Ankh episode. Dude, even I'm also Ankh. What
This
the
is
fuck?
Ankh episode. Actually, I have a quiz for you
Uncle
guys.
G.
Ankh G. If you want to call
G
Ankh.
Uncle G. You have to call us G Uncle
G Uncle G. G mane genius. Okay,
I
tell
can't take these many dad jokes, man.
But yeah.
Yeah, I have a quiz for you guys.
Quiz,
you guys
yeah,
want to do it?
Dude,
huh?
when
Yeah,
yeah, please get it.
Okay, this is for properly for reel. You have to cut it. Huh? You
Okay.
guys don't put any reels. I have.
Listen,
a
man,
Yeah.
just do the game. Don't tell us where to do it. This guy, it's like I need you to put it on TikTok. Put a VPN, put it on
Bro,
TikTok.
I am like that. What's that? Sean Penn. What's that?
Sean Penn.
Sean
no,
Penn.
Sean Penn. What is that? Social network. That guy comes.
Oh, Sean
Parker.
Sean Parker.
Sean Parker.
Yeah. I'm that guy for you guys.
The
Napster,
reels.
Napster.
Yeah, Sean Park.
First
Remove the right?
Yeah,
He says,
yeah.
Drop the duh.
Remove the broken. You know.
Yeah, bro. Huh.
But yeah,
But last time I came, gave feedback. Is it working for you guys? Come on, you guys
I mean,
implemented all of that.
It worked in that episode when
I
you
mean,
came.
you know what is not working?
Guys.
The arrogance that you
Yeah.
changed. That's not working.
Yeah, I mean,
Guys,
you're acting like you yourself overthrew the government. Our government is still the same.
Bro, these are the questions for you guys. Huh?
I love it.
Bro, I have
My
invested for your
I haven't
podcast.
seen an A4 sheet in a long time.
You
I
guys do
know.
have no idea. I have to
In this guy's
fucking-
hand, it looks like A3 sheet. That's a acceptable short joke.
Hey. Shut up, you tree.
Hey, come on.
Hey, hey.
Stop it. Oh my God.
I don't know if this hurt more or Unk.
Okay, chalo.
Okay, wait.
Let's start. Okay, just set it up. Set it
Okay.
up once again.
This is real, huh? First of all, I've invested in your
This
podcast.
is a reel.
No,
Again.
no, it's
you
not, it's
didn't.
not. I've
You
not started.
didn't fill up the whole sheet.
I know. At least put a ruler and tear
Yeah.
and bring like half of the page.
Yeah,
It
come
must
on.
look professional otherwise.
Yeah, cool.
Go for
Fair
it.
enough.
Go for it.
All right.
There you go. Let's go.
Okay.
Explain
for the reel,
what
you
it
have to
is.
do some like here it should come like this. Text should come like this.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. This game is called
This one, no reel. Now only I'm telling. This one, only main episode. This is going. All right, go
Members
ahead.
only.
You see.
We don't
you
even
see.
have members.
Yeah.
only.
It'll work. This is like competition between you guys.
Okay, oh,
let's
but
go.
the game is who's more Ankh.
Okay.
Nice. I
Okay?
like it.
See, that's a hook right there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
First question.
Hmm.
Who used Facebook more recently?
Facebook.
Yes.
I have not used Facebook in years, I think, properly.
Come on,
I also
Gautam.
not used Facebook.
Hey.
In years. I've not used Facebook in years.
I don't
Really?
open Facebook.
Yeah, I don't even
You guys have it
the
on your
app.
phone?
No.
Yeah, I have it on my phone.
Ah,
Oh.
1 point to the Ankh here.
You don't have it on your phone?
No, I don't have it.
Let's see. Let's see all your apps.
Check it out. You can
Hey,
search.
Facebook.
I have AstroTalk.
That's Gen Z actually.
That is a grand
Yeah.
Ankh.
I see
that is
FaceTime, not Facebook.
Okay, nice. I have
Crazy.
Facebook.
You have Facebook.
Yeah, yeah. I am
Now
more
You
Ankh
are one
than-
Ankh.
1-0,
Right now.
huh?
1-0 right now. What time do you guys sleep at?
Oh, yeah, this I think it's 1-1. It's a draw.
Really? What time
I know you sleep like by
No, not
2 by
anymore.
2 o'clock,
Not
1
anymore,
o'clock.
What time do
What
you
time
2
sleep?
o'clock. Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Yeah, I sleep like 3:30.
That's, I mean, but
Well,
both
okay,
of them.
fine. 1-1.
Yeah.
Okay.
What time do you sleep?
4 something.
I sleep at
I
5.
just have to say after you.
I sleep at 5.
I don't sleep.
I don't sleep at
She just
all.
want to be.
I sleep when I hear you fallen asleep 5 minutes after that.
What do you sing me a lullaby?
Yeah.
I check your REM, whether you entered
Yeah.
REM, and then I start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's likely to not understand a meme reference?
Yeah, I can often not get it.
Yeah, I
I'll
get
accept
all
it.
memes
Okay.
I get.
Hey man, this is not even objectively possible to prove.
Yeah,
Give us something.
I'll give a. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. I don't know. I think you guys will know. I think. What is this?
6-7. Bro, we are.
Dude, what do you say?
Come
We are the
on.
youngest unks in the world.
We
Yeah,
have
man,
a-
you guys are
we have
really
a
the-
finger on the pulse.
Yeah.
You guys are really the
The
youngest
zeitgeist.
unks.
We have
Yeah.
tapped into the zeitgeist.
Lesser screen time. Who won today?
We both have 3.5.
3.5 hours.
Now it must have increased a little bit. You see,
It's
335, 336 something.
No, why? Like, oh, it's not like, what is it?
It's not exact.
340 or something it is mine.
Mine is 334. So,
Mine is
334.
higher, yeah.
330. What is
so
yours?
more
Mine is
screen
3
time is more
okay.
Gen Z or less Gen Z?
350.
Less screen time is
350.
350. Yeah, so you're more unk.
Oh, less screen time is more.
Yeah, of
more
course. Yeah.
I don't think so. I think Gen Z is moving away from the screen.
No,
That's
no,
alcohol,
man.
that's different.
Yeah, same. Both are same.
You
bro.
forgot the study. It'll be on your
Okay,
phone.
so he's
Right.
3, I'm 1.
You're 3-2, no?
2.
Why? What did I do 1?
Both got 6-7. No, wait. So it was 1-1. Now it's 2-1.
2-1.
Okay,
Everything
cool.
else was
Yeah.
tied so far.
You guys have to tell me an event from your year of birth.
Okay.
I know who's older, whatever, but you just have to tell me an event.
World
from
Cup. Football World Cup.
your FIFA.
Yeah.
And you.
The falling of the Berlin Wall.
Bro, you are unk, bro.
The Berlin Wall went down.
Oh,
My year.
World
You're Cricket World Cup, right?
FIFA
83.
World Cup. FIFA
83.
World Cup.
Couple there.
1942 FIFA World Cup.
Uruguay won the World Cup in this guy's birth
Berlin
year.
Wall fell in 1800 or what?
89.
1800.
November 9th.
I mean, a wall fell down in Berlin. 1800. But
November
yeah.
9th, 1989.
Okay, all right, okay.
That's
Next
the
one.
day.
So you are now
I'm leading
3-1.
3-1.
Yeah.
Man, I knew it would be you. But
I actually don't have no problem with this.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I
Next
don't
one.
mind being more uncle.
Wait, what was your childhood dream?
Okay, what did I want to become?
Yes.
A doctor.
You, Shamik?
I wanted to
Scam
be a
on.
streamer. Take it and go. Come
Okay,
on,
fine.
3-2.
No, I wanted to be this one.
It's over, doctor. Bhai.
No, I
After
want to
the
be
Berlin Wall
a
fell.
doctor of vibes. Vibes doctor.
I want to be Dr. Dre.
Not like Riz or Dr. Riz.
3-2, bro.
Streamer. Nice.
3-2. Like he said, I know all the memes.
Fair enough.
Come on.
Oh, next is like Gen Z slangs. Huh?
Okay, yeah.
Some Gen Alpha slangs are also there. So that
Okay.
you guys can catch up.
Yeah,
when-
2 points for Gen
when
Alpha
somebody
slang.
younger comes.
Okay,
after
cool.
me.
Got it.
I've like given a little easier so that you guys
That's
can
no problem.
You
just feel good about
we
yourself.
know, bro.
You know? First one, negative aura.
What?
What?
What does it mean?
Fail.
It's like someone who just gives bad vibes.
Yeah,
like
fail, a
just,
fail.
Just
Somebody with bad vibes.
A fail.
yeah. And
What? Isn't it? What?
I mean,
negative
it's like,
aura is when you f up and people are like, oh, he like you lost
tried
aura
to
points.
show off.
You
and
lost
fail.
aura
That's
points.
what you call a fail. F-A-I-L.
Okay.
He doesn't know. We have to teach him millennial.
you guys
we
are
have to teach
explaining
him
in very-
millennial terms, and then he has to, bro. There's a communication gap. over
Fail,
here.
dude. Fail.
It's called a generation gap.
But we know what aura, all aura
Yeah,
things
okay,
we know.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Hardik Pandya.
Well, let's do
negative aura.
1-1 then, so that it gets easier.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay, negative aura first for you. You do cap.
Lie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
Shit,
Nice.
you got-
on.
yeah,
Okay.
come on, give me
Listen,
something.
I
like
told
that.
you a little easier ones I'm
Okay,
giving
okay,
so that
go,
you
go,
guys
go.
boost your
Yeah.
Anki ego. Right? And bet. What is bet?
Bet?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
I can do it. Like, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's leading. I thought it's like I knew my answer is wrong, so I don't want to answer it.
So what? 4-2 now.
Yeah.
Okay. So wait, you answered. So back to you, no? Glaze.
Huh?
Glaze.
Glaze is like you.
United
you,
owners.
you like what we used to say. Like you overly praise someone. You're
Yeah.
just like, hey, the
Nice,
glaze
dude.
is too much.
Overly praise is the most unk definition of
Yeah.
glaze. It's
What
like,
do you
What,
say?
how would you say it?
like riding.
Yuck, man. That's
Mine's
like,
better, right?
Yo,
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
what? Why don't you wear a cap sideways and answer? Huh? That's lame. All right.
Man.
Dead.
Okay. Now
You're
next
out?
fourth, you won't get only.
Yeah, dude.
Bro, if you guys get, you see.
Okay.
His turn.
Okay, your is done. Phantom tax.
Phantom tax. I know this. It
Oh
is-
my god.
It is in the Kai Sanat in AMP. Any means possible. That is when someone eats food, when it has food, you take some food from it.
Crazy.
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank
Come
What
on.
is that? I don't know any of these words.
I'll tell you what. Phantom is the name of a streamer in
Yeah.
Kai Sanat's group. Who, whenever Kai Sanat orders something, he comes and takes some food and goes.
There's
Why
an
do you know
imposter.
this, bro?
There's an imposter in your
This is
group.
this is like almost creepy levels of knowing. Like at this level, why are you keeping tabs so much on them?
Bro,
what
you
is
know
guys?
what? +1 for him only for being overcompensating.
Hey, what?
Right.
No.
I agree.
You
No.
have accepted. You have accepted your
Yeah,
age.
yeah, yeah.
He has
Yeah,
not.
yeah, yeah.
What? I just know.
Yeah.
I read.
By the way, Phantom is that streamer guy. So
Yeah.
if you eat somebody's food, it's like 5 to 10% if you eat. It's like Phantom tax. Friendship tax.
Friendship tax. Yeah.
Phantom tax. Got it. Got it. I
Okay.
didn't even understand.
I don't
a
think you'll
word of
remember
that.
this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just put fries in the bag, bro. What does it mean?
Just put fries in the bag.
Bro.
Bro is also
No,
important.
I mean, put fries in
Put
the bag.
fries. Fries.
Just put fries in the bag.
Just put fries in the bag, bro.
It's like just get to the point.
That's what that is.
Oh.
All right.
Nice, man. Nice. Very logical.
Told you.
Not. You know, not a word. We used to say not after the
That's like 0, right?
thing. Yeah, correct. That's the physics, math, the Boolean algebra definition.
Boolean analogy, yes. GAT.
I know
That's
this.
ass, like a big
Hey,
ass.
hey, wait. It's my
A
turn to
fat
answer.
ass.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
I got
know,
excited
yeah.
with that.
You jumped for that, bro. You jumped for that.
Yeah,
You're Gen Z
yeah.
for that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers.
All right. Busing.
Busing. I heard busing is twerking.
Busing is like something that's damn good, right?
Yeah,
That's busing.
bro.
I know, bro.
You caught
This is
he
our
caught
World Cup,
up,
bro.
He caught up.
Busing, dog. That answer was bussin'.
Bussin',
Bro,
okay.
Not
bussin'
what
is a
you're doing.
tiebreaker now,
This
man.
guy was like BMTC. When I take a BMTC, that's busing. That's what it is.
No, I was working in a BMTC, bro.
How did you come to college? I was busing.
Oh man, this is a tiebreaker, bro. Last
Yeah,
question.
that's great. I
You
don't
know, he
have
doesn't.
any-
This is why he said print more. You underestimated us, bro.
Man, that was crazy.
We are
Your
millennial,
comeback,
but we
huh?
have to perform for
That's
audiences of
crazy
your
comeback.
generation. So we have to learn
Crazy
something.
comeback. I have to think of something. We'll get to it by the end or something. Yeah.
Awesome. You give us a point at the end for tiebreaker for
Yeah,
whatever.
Yeah, through the
reason.
conversation, I'll decide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers. Sounds good, man.
That's
Hey,
crazy.
that's great, man. I think we can get 5 reels out of that.
Yeah.
Each one we'll put 1 reel, all right?
It's just
be
cat
happy.
and you saying,
Yeah.
that's one.
Yeah.
It's not just
Yeah.
man.
Cat. Cool.
Then
That
what
was
else is
good. Good
happening
to
in
learn.
life?
Hey, what is? Tell me something. Have you when you graduated? Did you do like a job in a MNC or something?
Yeah.
What were you doing? Software.
Software like for some time. Then
How
I
long
switched
did you
to
work in that company?
3.5, 4 years.
Oh, you did a 3.5, 4 year run. So
Yeah.
because I'm asking because I've heard like Gen Z, like they don't like the company. They're protesting more against company norms and
Yeah.
also they like their own time
like
and
time
space.
limit also. Like
Correct.
8 hours is enough. Like you can't disturb us like
The
later.
quiet quitting and all that. What is it called? Something like that. It's
I
there,
don't
like where you just quit for your mental health reasons and
Oh.
stuff. So there's a lot of that happening, right?
Yeah.
So did you
Face on you.
experience that, or did you quit for some Gen Z reason like
I was
that?
fired first of all. So
That's the most millennial thing. That's the
Welcome to Unk, bro.
welcome
All
to-
Unks being fired.
I got converted today.
Damn. Yeah, but do you have a lot of friends who just keep changing jobs?
Lot of them switch every 2-3 years.
And
That
what
is
do they
one
say?
thing.
Why?
Money one.
Money is
And,
the okay. That's
yeah,
common.
but like mental health, they hate their managers. They will protest against their managers. Like they'll send emails. Like they won't reply only. Like you guys might reply at night and stuff.
it's like
just to-
invasion of my time,
Yes,
space and space.
yes,
Like why?
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
I heard like y'all don't like when the office is not aesthetic. Like you need it to be aesthetically.
This I don't.
Dude,
know.
who are you talking to?
No, no, these are things that
Really?
they talk about Gen Z stereotypes. Of course, it's like the extreme end
Extreme,
of it.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
we
yeah.
didn't. I never thought about what my office space looks like. I'm like, this is what they gave me. I work here. But Gen
Also,
Z
the thing
cares.
with layoffs, he got laid off because of underperformance, right?
Kind of. I don't like that
that's
word,
what.
but yeah.
We get laid off
Because
because of market
like
market
economy.
Market
yeah.
forces.
Economy. Yeah.
That's a
yeah.
Gen Z thing because of like you
Yeah.
didn't want to work.
Yeah. It was
Right.
fair when they laid you
It
off.
was because comedy and all I was doing.
That doesn't matter.
that's
Just,
fine.
you got fired. Let's be
It's
honest.
fine. Yeah.
Basically, a company broke up with you.
Yeah.
Oh God.
There's a split there. Yeah.
How many months did you wait before going after another company?
Getting on the
before
apps.
LinkedIn, Naukri.com.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know. So yeah, like, do you have a lot of friends who
This aesthetic one, I have no idea.
You have
I've
no
never heard
idea?
This. Yeah.
the vibes were immaculate? They keep
Vibes.
saying
this
that.
is old, man.
It's old, or?
It's very old. It's like 2019 stuff.
2019.
Yeah.
Oh man, all those eras ago. Back when what was it? Dial-up modem. It's 2019. Telegram. I used to tie a note to a pigeons like in 2019.
Vibes are immaculate is gone. That's like a old
It's over.
caption. Yeah. That's
But how
over.
do you know it's gone, bro? It
'Cause
could be
I-
back any day.
For back, you have to leave it. Like so, it is gone. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Are there any such things that terms that
But
are coming
lights,
back?
a lot of people are do that. Like that, like white light, yellow light. That's a
They
big
like
thing.
so people, yeah, some
Soothing lights.
Soothing
So
light.
maybe that's the aesthetic thing you're talking about.
What
yeah.
you're saying, they don't like white lights.
Yes.
because it
Yeah.
makes you want to work, right?
True.
Like,
yeah,
I
it's an
wanna-
industrial light.
So you
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
prefer white.
I mean, at home,
No,
it's
at home, absolutely not. But in the office, I actually preferred white light
Yeah.
because I was
Oh.
like, I'm here to work. I
Okay.
don't want to feel. I actually wanted to get out of there.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm here to work, and I'll leave when I'm done.
Okay.
That was my mindset.
But then that also like the thing where I would reply to mails at like 1 a.m., 2 a.m.
Damn.
It's
Just like
also-
fear of losing the job was like a big thing. Like with you,
Right.
the thing with you guys, Gen Z, now AI is a good little like mix because
Yeah.
now the
Yeah,
job
you're
can
feeling
go
that,
to
yeah.
Actually, I lost my job because of AI only.
yeah.
Oh, really?
what?
That's what you're saying now. Huh?
yeah.
Now he's updated it.
I just remembered actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it turns out he was using AI to write a report, and he was not supposed to. So he lost because AI it up.
But yeah, now with AI, you guys, that is the next economy thing you will face.
Right.
Yeah,
I mean, you guys will
it's
face
it's
it.
big.
Yeah.
It's big right now.
It's big.
Everybody's laying
What
off.
were you
every-
saying? Like something's coming back and all that?
No,
What
no.
are
I
things-
was just asking if there are terms which are coming back.
Or just things
which were
like
out of-
cyclical things. Like
yeah, yeah, yeah.
fashion. Fashion.
Like
comes
with
back a
music,
lot.
it's happening a lot, right? A lot
Oh.
of TikTok trending songs, which now
Yeah.
then come to we see from Instagram.
What is it?
Like
No.
their old songs, the remix.
Even your Durandar too.
Yeah,
correct.
exactly.
Ari Ari.
Ari.
Ari Ari, even
Bombay-
Durandar one.
What?
That,
And
the-
Jogi,
that song
yeah,
is Jogi.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, and Jogi is a remix from another Hindi song. So it's like a
Yeah, it's
Correct.
like there's
Hawa
a-
Hawa also.
Huh?
Hawa, Hawa.
Hawa, yeah. There's what is it? There's a lack of creativity in Gen Z.
But it's also no. What the reason it's working is because when that song plays, Gen Z just likes it because it
It's-
sounds good, and
yeah.
we like it because nostalgia. So they're getting everyone
Yeah.
for
No,
different
No, it's
reasons.
like a easy kill because you know it killed already.
Yeah.
Right.
So you're just like repurposing
You
it.
know what I really hate? Hollywood, and they're making reels on this already. Hollywood blockbusters just use a slowed down version of hits from the like 70s, 80s. Sweet dreams are made of this. And they just slow it down and they just do like 2 lines of a
Yeah.
song, which is already. Why not use the actual
Yeah.
song? The song was a
I know you
banger.
guys- there's a whole section of YouTube music which is slow reverbed.
Yeah, slow
Yeah,
reverb.
yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
Plus reverb.
And-
So it must be that.
And lo-fi also
Lo-fi
is
is
a big
also
thing.
one thing. That
Lo-fi
one girl
mix.
was always studying that one.
Yeah, studying. Can you work with music at the background?
Yes,
You work with
100%.
music?
I can sleep with music, work with music.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I need absolute silence.
What is the
Oh.
point of sleeping with music? You don't hear
Because you
it.
can't fall asleep otherwise. Like,
Oh.
Oh, you have tinnitus?
what is that?
The ear thing?
No. I put my earphones in.
You sleep with earphones on?
Yeah.
Chalo, bhai.
Dude.
Like one earphone because I have to tilt my hair once. I think.
Oh my god, dude, you'll get like an infection.
No, nothing has happened.
That's the most uncle thing
Nothing
I've
else.
said in the world.
Hey, 1 point for him. Huh? Yeah, and we know.
It's
That's
over. Ding, 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 ding. Wait, are you saying Gen Z doesn't do like
Lame jokes?
Lame jokes?
Lame jokes. It's very less actually, I would say.
Hell no.
Gen Z is more sad also, I would say.
Bro,
That's what they're saying. They're very okay, very
But the
nihilistic.
thing is that so sad is there for everyone in there. Like when you're
Correct.
entering life, right?
Yeah.
That you're 22 plus. We had emo.
yeah. Emo was a whole
It's a full
movement.
sad thing. That was like we
Yeah.
had emo makeup.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of nihilism type.
Avril
thing.
Lavigne is emo.
Mm,
Adam Levine.
No,
Avril.
Avril Lavigne. Do you know Avril Lavigne?
No.
okay.
Is she a woman?
Yes.
Okay.
Avril Lavigne, you've not heard any song.
No, don't Google now.
Okay.
You've not heard Complicated. Skater Boy, you must have heard. No?
Na 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 complicated.
No?
It'll come tomorrow in Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay, what's
okay.
your when you started listening to like pop music? Who are
Correct.
like
Maroon
who are,
5, Coldplay.
Coldplay is okay, both generations.
Yeah.
Okay.
Late
Coldplay is like, in
Yeah.
Venn diagram middle. Like,
Then? Maroon 5.
Maroon 5 was there. Passenger was there.
Passenger and all we
Passenger.
don't mention. Who else?
But you were like a big rock guy and all. No,
Yeah.
metal and all.
Yeah, I am. I still am. But
Yeah.
I listen to everything though.
Okay.
Everything, everywhere, all
All
at
at
once.
That's a horrible listening experience.
That's why I hate
Everything-
music.
There's a great meme where like we are like an independent band, they say, but they all play independently different songs.
Nice, nice, nice.
See, that's a Gen Z.
Yeah, that's
lame
kind of
joke.
a Gen Z lame joke.
Yeah, it's a lame joke.
Correct, yeah.
We all like it, bro. Lame jokes.
Yeah,
because
it's the best.
Timeless.
it's important how you're saying. If you're saying it like this is a good joke, then it's bad.
Yeah.
If you're saying it like this is a shit joke and we all know it's
Correct.
shit. You got a street joke for us?
You have a street joke.
Yeah, I have multiple.
Yeah, give.
Let's
Really?
yes. You're
Yeah.
reading a street joke.
Huh?
Okay, read.
No,
read.
I'm just checking which one should I tell.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Please,
Get
please.
the gist of it.
Yeah. Okay, this is like 2-liners. Sir.
Okay.
But you'll have to know some science knowledge.
Okay. All right, bro.
Do you guys know Murphy's Law?
Yeah.
It's like anything that can go wrong will go wrong.
Yes.
Right? But there's another, like, do you know Cole's Law? Cole's Law. It's that thinly sliced cabbage. It is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on,
Nice
I
one.
that
Nice
delivery.
one.
All right.
Next one,
No.
next one.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is a long one. No?
Okay. 3 lines, huh? All right. Go ahead.
For me, that's like.
Yeah. Oh my
Come on,
god.
that was bussing, bro.
Yeah.
That's right.
That was
This
pretty
is also very
disgusting.
Busker busing by. yeah.
This is also a very like street joke only, bad only in the end. But no need to guess and all. Like,
Okay.
We'll get to the end.
Okay.
It's more about the journey than the.
Let's
Go ahead.
Okay,
man.
just put fries in the
fucking
bag.
Let's get to the start of the joke.
You guys know, like in like this bus conductors and all will have, right? In Japan, they have like for train also. Like so, they'll have train conductors and all that. And so there was like one train conductor in.
I know this one.
Oh shit!
Continue.
Okay, you don't
Okay.
know.
No, I don't know. I
Okay,
don't know.
so the train conductor, basically the job is to like when the doors are closing or whatever, like they have to make sure nobody gets harmed and
Yeah.
check tickets or whatever.
Yeah.
So one day they're standing on the platform. This guy is coming from the platform. He's running to the train. Right. This guy door closes. His job was to make sure that guy doesn't get hurt.
Yeah.
But he got like splashed. Like
Yeah.
because the doors closed. Whatever. Right now this guy, government is mad. The local government is
Yeah.
mad. They take him to jail. They announce fucking death sentence for this
Yeah.
guy. He goes to. They put him on an electrical chair, but this guy doesn't die. So now they have to let him go. Goes again on the job. Again one splash. Again something. Again electric chair. Again doesn't die.
Okay.
3-4 times is happening. Right? Everybody is like, how is this? How is he not dying? Like, it's because he was a bad conductor.
Lovely.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, I've heard
It's
of
a waste of
when I
time.
was yeah. But he also gave you a nice brief version. You can people do this like they'll do like 10
For 10 minutes, they'll
yeah,
do.
obviously for a podcast is not ideal, but like
Yeah.
people just stretch it out. And the longer you stretch it, the more irritated you are at the end, which is
Yes.
kind of the point.
It is kind of the point of the joke.
And sometimes in that irritation, you laugh.
Yeah.
That's the idea. You're like, you wasted my whole day on that.
But I love like such long jokes with no payoff.
yeah.
Like,
Shaggy dogs.
Shaggy Dog story.
Shaggy dog story.
Like there's another joke. I don't remember how the joke goes, but in school the guy had, when someone really takes the effort and does it the way original, the director's
First
cut,
telling, yeah.
long,
Yeah.
one full period he extended the joke. It was about some squiggly wiggly kida. Okay, that was
Okay.
it would keep coming up. The whole idea was squiggly wiggly kida comes and then he just puts that word in your head.
Yeah.
And it's all you can hear for like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then he ends with, and then this guy opened the tap and what came out? And everyone's like, squiggly, no water, you idiot. Like you just want to beat the
This is like those things, right? Like how do you put a elephant in the fridge? You
Remote,
open it and you're like, how do you put giraffe?
Yeah.
No elephant is there. How will you fit them?
What's the third one? There's a third
What
one.
is it?
There's in the forest there was a meeting of all the animals. 2 animals didn't come. Which one? Yeah.
But that you have to do 5 minutes later.
Yeah.
It's like a callback.
But the ant and elephant jokes are always very funny. If you remember.
Even elephant.
Hathi
and-
Cheeti.
Yeah, Hathi Cheeti, you know the
Yeah,
one
I mean,
where
I will remember if it
the hide and seek. They're playing hide and seek. Firstly, already funny. An ant, Hathi, and Cheeti playing hide and seek.
Yeah.
And Hathi's looked all over the place. No, the moment it started, Hathi figured it out. He went and he's like, the ant is in the temple. How did he know? Because Cheeti's chappals were outside. It's so fucking stupid.
It is more like it's
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
And the elephant got married to a mosquito. It seems. Okay.
Okay.
Next day they got married. And they have a first night.
Oh God. Non-veg हो गया ये तो.
The mosquito died the next day.
Why?
I was like, why? वो all out लगा के सोता था.
That's actually good. That's a pretty. It's about saying the obvious.
It's a social commentary almost.
Yeah.
It's an obvious stupid thing to say.
AstroTalk. They give you a free chat with an astrologer.
Why did you install this first of all?
AstroTalk.
Because
Why not?
he really believes
Dude,
in
but
it.
it's a free chat. Okay, I
Yeah.
did it, free chat. And I was like, oh, my life is this is my birthday. This is my time of birth. This is my kundali. All those things. Tell
You
me
have to
what's
pay?
wrong. No, free chat.
Free chat, huh?
Free,
Okay.
One free.
And they were like, the astrologer was like, everything you want, I will solve it for you. And I was like, okay, this is my problem. He's like, 100% solved. Just एक recharge कर दीजिए, please. I was like, oh.
He sends his girlfriend's number.
So they try to get money out of you in a different way.
Yeah.
But they're like, this is free.
Yeah.
But just one table I'm selling. If you will buy my table. That's insane. So did
Man.
you give recharge?
No.
I accidentally, when we used to have prepaid connections, I accidentally recharged the wrong number.
Oh,
By
yeah.
one digit, I gave the wrong number. 100 rupees recharge I did.
Yeah.
Then I called that number to ask him to recharge mine. I generally like, भैया मैं आपका नंबर रिचार्ज कर दिया, आप वापस कर दो ना मेरा. And he was on a train. I could hear the train. He's like, he started laughing. Like पागल है क्या भाई? And he started telling his friend, अरे मेरा रिचार्ज हो गया था ना, 100 रुपए इसने किया है, इसको वापस चाहिए. I'm like, please.
Now
sir.
they have your number also.
Please. सर स्टूडेंट हूँ मैं सर, प्लीज. लाइक अरे तो क्या हुआ भाई, हम तो पढ़ाई खत्म नहीं की है, तो आप पढ़ाई कर लोगे, आपका लाइफ सेट हो जाएगा, तब बना
Give you
लेना
advice.
पैसा. He's like, you will make money later, bro.
Hilarious.
Yeah.
Man.
But when you put the wrong number, they show the SIM, right? It's the same SIM.
What do you mean?
No, so before, have you
No.
recharged?
Oh, this is long
Prepaid.
back.
Long back, yeah,
You
prepaid.
could. You have to just get the number. If you get the number wrong, you have recharged the wrong number.
Okay. For me, like I was thinking of Google Pay when you do the mobile
No,
recharge.
Hey,
no,
bro.
no.
Google Pay was.
Bro, what is Google Pay,
It
bro?
was a thing
Oh,
in
this
the
is that
imagination.
SMS thing.
Yeah.
SMS.
Ah.
You know SMS full form?
Something media. No.
What? Media?
Short? No. What is it? Small something? No.
Close. Small.
Small.
word like that.
Damn. This is my
It's
specialty.
not actually that.
It is
It's
short
not
messaging service, right?
Oh,
I don't know.
it must
Simple,
be that.
I thought it was.
Simple messaging service.
I think
No,
so.
short messaging, I think.
Short messaging service?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, for me, it's MS.
I know MMS is multimedia messaging service. And I found out
GAT.
in a Wikipedia.
Short message service.
Short message service, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You-
MMS.
You didn't ever have a phone with SMS,
I
right?
had. SMS, like, here and there, I had.
As in, but you never had to do it.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
when the Wi-Fi went off, I used to SMS few friends and all.
Crazy, dude. Like, you know, they passed the law that under 16, you cannot use
Social media in
social
Karnataka,
media in
right?
Karnataka,
How does
yeah,
that
yeah.
get implemented?
That's what it won't,
Yeah.
basically. It'll just keep... People will use, you know, the software which allows you to bypass that will just
Make money.
flourish. Yeah, those will flourish.
But how is it done? Like
in
that's what
Australia,
I'm
they've
thinking.
banned fully.
But does your
It's like the
SIM
date
know your
of birth.
age?
yeah, they'll have to build in a service.
Yeah, because
They'll
I mean,
have some
Instagram,
solution.
you can just change your date of birth.
Yeah.
It'll be
That's
tied
what
to
they
your
used to do in
Aadhaar.
Facebook
or-
also anyway. Yeah, 18 plus it was. But like you could just...
Yeah, but you're right. Like, if this is to be implemented, then even you who live in Karnataka
Yeah.
will have to put some sort of verification,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what that's.
Because Facebook used to, I just remembered because Facebook had that 18-year thing.
Okay.
But I made when I was 13. But I put like everybody, all my friends have
You can-
1973
you can
birthday.
just choose whatever.
Like congrats,
birthday.
Gokul just turned 67.
Yeah, that I mean, when you used to go to those websites also,
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Right.
it's just there as a. They
Yeah.
want you to spend a few
Now
seconds.
it feels good that you don't lie, right, anymore. Yes, I am about 18.
Yeah.
But
like-
that thing about which is
I want to press a button saying I'm 35. They show me recommendation.
honestly now it's the other way. If I go there and I put my age, I'm like, dude, what am I doing at this age?
Let me ask you one. Wait, let me ask you this. What
Go
is
for
your Swiggy ordering? Or whatever, Zomato, Swiggy.
Hmm.
We are open for sponsorship everywhere. What is the process?
Okay, what do you mean?
What's the process? Like, suppose you're hungry.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to eat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right?
That's correct. That's number one.
Yeah.
How do you decide what to eat and where to order from? Like, aren't you facing that choice paralysis now?
Sure.
First is what are you craving for? No,
So craving also, I don't crave a restaurant.
No, same.
not restaurant. I'm saying
You
food.
crave okay, so fair enough. You crave a dish. Okay, I crave a
biryani,
burger. Let's say burger.
burger. Yeah.
Now what?
First price, right? Sort by
No,
price.
No, sort by delivery time.
Sort by delivery time also. But
So
burgers
delivery
are
time is a big one for me. But now I have to tell you because now there is a specific thing which I do, which is in
100 to
Zomato.
50.
No, I
No
put
question.
healthy mode in Zomato. Just because I like to see that
Green.
the green diamond heart. If I
Yeah,
can get
yeah,
that,
yeah.
it's a trick. It's
Yeah.
probably not healthy, but
Yeah.
it's like I'm assuming it'll be slightly healthier.
Yeah.
And now I'm trying to order healthy because I order a lot. So I'm like, I order so much food. I better at least try to make it
Yeah.
good. So I'm not ordering burgers, anything
Yeah.
anymore.
Oh.
So I found in Bombay 3-4
great
restaurants.
places which healthy food.
They make like healthy. Is this chicken, grilled chicken with
Veggies
Yeah,
and some dip.
veggies and stuff. So I have like 3-4 go-tos. That's 90% of my orders are those.
Those,
so
yeah.
that
Correct,
circle,
correct. Actually,
and
yeah,
they're all fast delivery.
Yeah.
They're never 40 minutes and all. I'm like,
Yeah.
hell no. 20
But
to
sin-
25 minutes it says. I go for that. But when I'm craving something, then I'm
Dude,
driven
because
by...
I'm telling you, because like, this is like maybe 3 days back. I was I had like one, I skipped breakfast, had an early lunch.
Yeah.
So one snack order is there. Right, around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I'm
Yeah.
like, I'm tired,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
First of all, snack, we have not explored, like nobody has a snack order.
Yeah.
You just do.
And I'm just like, for half an hour, I was scrolling on Swiggy. And finally, you know what I did? I went on Instamart and bought bread and peanut butter.
That's insane.
And I made my
I've
own.
never done that. I've never reached there.
But I've read that this Swiggy Zomato algo, if you scroll for a way longer time, they start
Reducing the
giving-
prices.
No,
Oh,
giving
repeat.
you higher prices.
Oh.
The restaurants with higher, the algo like switches up a little bit, like
They want you to quickly order from what they show you. you're saying.
correct. Or like if you spend more time, pay more like that. Yeah.
Oh, basically they're saying that means you're searching for something, and
Yeah.
that means there's a premium. Like,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
They're seeing you crave something
Yeah, there's
specific.
no time problem anymore.
Yeah.
Because you're hungry and you're
Yeah.
like searching for
It's
something.
evil, man. It's
Yeah.
like it's all psychology
Correct.
and just knowing how people think. That's all the
No,
game
it's
is.
great, especially with food, right? So when I was working on food, this one, we did full data analysis after like some whatever 10,000 orders. We did data analysis. And we were like, okay, cool. If someone orders 4 times in 7 days from us, that means that they will never leave.
4
Yeah.
and 7.
Yeah.
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 4 and 7.
Yeah.
Got it.
yeah.
Yes,
So
that's
it
true.
was just like, if we get a new customer, we will just like belt them with offers and all things somehow
To get
get
them
them
to
to
that.
4 and
Forget about them.
forget about them. They'll
Right.
keep give us money.
Right.
Just,
It
just, just
Like
shitting
read
in a
them very
box.
well, then just put them
Yeah,
in the back.
put them back.
They're shitting in a box and sending it to them. This guy 4 and 7 guy. Come on, it's fine.
Dude, that's crazy. Like how it's so, what do you say, these behaviors and all, which we don't even realize.
That's so
Correct,
true. But
correct.
the other thing is, which I'm avoiding, is ordering when I'm super hungry. I have to order before I reach there.
Yeah.
Because when I reach
Yeah.
there, that's natural, right? They
Yeah.
also say
Yeah.
never go to the. We don't go, but when you had to go to the supermarket to buy,
Yeah.
never go hungry to a supermarket because
Right.
then you take one whole aisle
Correct,
of
yeah.
correct,
chips
correct.
and
Yeah,
cookies,
yeah,
and then
yeah.
you're like, what am I
Yeah.
doing? After the first bite, you're like, oh my
Yeah.
god.
Just
So I
blink.
have to order before I get hungry, or I have to keep some snack at home, which I keep makhana or something,
yeah,
which
yeah.
I almost don't like. I just
Okay.
want to like
Yeah,
Munch
yeah.
on something.
munch on something, and I have to tell myself I'm not enjoying the taste, but I'm doing something good for me. That's how I have to. I'm trying to
Reinforce,
program
yeah,
myself,
yeah.
and I also think of it as a challenge against like the
Systems.
system. That's where it's becoming fun for me because everyone's trying to get me to eat sugar. The
Yeah.
whole world is trying. So I'm like, I'll
fall
fight
for
it.
it, bro. I
Eat sugar,
bro.
man.
I don't
yeah,
eat sugar.
man.
Right.
What is
No
Dude, it's
sugar.
okay.
Fuck sugar.
It's
bro.
all right.
It's poison, bro.
One of the overrated comments
You know
in
what is
this,
poison?
In the last episode, or whatever, in the episode that was there,
AMA?
was not AMA. We had asked overrated, underrated, right?
Yes.
In that, one of that was someone said they hate chocolate.
That's a
Man,
bit much.
that is
Hating
sad. That
chocolate
is
is,
sad, yeah.
crazy.
Hate.
You can't hate chocolate.
Sugar lover.
No, but still like that's because like that's like saying you hate whiskey. There are classes of
Correct.
chocolate.
No, I'm sorry. Hating chocolate is not like saying hating whiskey.
Hey, have you had Roy's chocolate?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
I'm saying chocolate is
But if you
higher
have,
than
like,
It's like,
Dairy
is
Milk.
that the same as hating Munch is what he's saying?
Yeah, like if you hate Munch and hate Royce is different, right? Like that's
Yeah.
like hating blenders.
you can't
right?
hate chocolate.
Yeah,
No,
exactly.
No,
Chocolate
it's
is-
not okay to hate chocolate. We hate you. No, no, okay.
Sometimes I go out. I went out once. Like this is when it blew my mind. I bought eggs. It's like 6.5 rupees per egg. But
Yeah.
on Blinkit, it's like 70 rupees for 6
Yeah.
eggs.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and if you
blows
go,
your mind.
you go steal it from the chicken, it's free. So there's always a cheaper way
so
to
the
get
chicken
it.
came first. Yeah.
Whoa!
What came first, the chicken or the rooster? That's the real question we gotta ask.
That's another
huh?
one of street
Why
jokes.
is no one asking that?
Yeah. Roosters on the bro.
This Women's Day, can we ask who came first, the chicken or the rooster? Because it's always the rooster I'm hearing. Chicken is never.
There's a gap. There's a gap. No. Yeah.
There's a gap.
Gap between the two.
There's a gap, and then the rooster just leaves. Apparently, doesn't
Yeah,
Doesn't call back.
Call back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
just calls out loud outdoors, but never calls back.
I took my roommate's scooter for because to travel for mics and all that. But I'm not used to having a vehicle of my own. I'm used to Rapido.
Yeah.
So I parked the scooter in some parking area. I paid. I took the receipt, whatever. I took the Rapido, went to my friend's place. We are chilling. I forgot.
You forgot the bike.
Yeah, now I want to drink and like eat wings and all. I'm taking out things from my pocket to chill in the sofa and eat things.
Oh,
and the key
shit.
came and I'm like,
Oh,
now
no.
I took a Rapido.
To go
I
the
went
bike.
back. He dropped me in front of the scooter. I paid this guy, sat on the scooter, left in
Oh,
front
God.
of
But
me.
extra parking you would have to pay? No.
He was
or
not
it
there
is like
that
a
time.
one-time thing.
Yeah, one time thing.
Uh,
But this guy saw me leave after dropping me.
in the scooter,
In the
like
scooter.
competition.
Yeah.
Like, damn,
I'll show you now.
I'll show you how to do
Yeah.
a 5-star ride. Man.
In front of him, I left.
Oh,
He
that's
must
funny.
have thought like that was.
Like I had to reissue my Aadhaar card recently.
Oh.
Why is that? Is that a thing you have to keep
No
doing?
address. I had to change the address because I had to get some verification something. So this address had to be on my Aadhaar card. So something had to get delivered and all.
Yeah.
And you know who are the goats of delivery? Post office guys.
Okay.
They are the goat. They don't call you.
They just show up.
They will reach. They will reach
They
you.
will reach the exact floor.
Exact.
Yeah.
They I don't think they have a phone. They don't even call.
That's why.
Yeah, everyone else.
How can you call when you don't have a phone?
Dude, everyone else they will call from downstairs like, "Hi sir, I have reached the location." I was like, "Do you see this building?" Yeah.
Yeah.
Come to third floor, whatever,
Yeah.
X floor, Y
yeah,
house, and all those things.
Yeah.
But this guy, he's almost pissed off that he was like, "It's too easy, man. This house opens." the
He's
door."
like, I do it for the game. And
I
the
love
game
the
is
game.
not fun right now.
Yeah,
I love the
They're
game.
like the single hand backhand fed.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, post office guy, I was so surprised. I was expecting a call because it comes, right? This guy's going to come. He's going to attempt a
Yeah.
delivery. Be ready and all those
Correct.
things. I was waiting. Generally, I don't keep my phone with me in the
Correct.
house. Just I was waiting. This guy just came and he was like, "Yeah, take it. Just sign here and do a."
Great. How accurate their system must be. Like,
Post office guys, why?
They know that's just like they know. That's
Yeah.
like they're not relying on technology.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like the dying breed of people who like drive without using a map, for example. They know
Oh,
the
yeah,
city.
yeah,
yeah.
That's like a superpower. You can't do
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
anymore. Even like our like cab drivers now can't do it anymore.
correct.
Because they're like now they rely on it. But then there'll be every now and then one guy who's
One
like,
guy, yeah.
bro, this road is showing like this, but if you go like this,
Yeah.
then you'll reach like half an hour
But I'm
before.
that guy actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll tell the Rapido guy just like go from this side. I know. Like,
You-
I'll take the
you-
wrong way, then we'll reach the other side easily like that.
But you
I mean, you break some laws.
but
Yeah.
you have some knowledge you're using there, or you're just randomly
No,
I
he
have
has
some
knowledge.
knowledge.
Yeah, some you're like, let's go wrong way.
Let's go like this and now follow the map.
If you go wrong way, people will be shocked and they'll stop and they'll
They're
clear
like, where are
it
you
out.
going?
Yeah. They're like, it must be an emergency.
No, no,
He's
this
driving in the
forum-
middle of the
no, this
road.
forum signal. From this side to that side, Taruki said, you have to go like this and come.
Yeah.
But if you take a wrong way a little bit and go in between, you
Yes,
can cut
this
that
is
whole
the
traffic.
age-old India conundrum, which
Yeah.
is why we all are breaking
sense.
rules from time to time. I cannot say fully don't break rules because
Yeah.
when I'm late for the
Yeah.
flight, I have broken the
Yeah.
rule and gone
Correct,
wrong way.
correct.
Because that U-turn will take half an hour.
Exactly.
I'm not going to spend half an hour extra.
I missed every mode of transport.
I have not missed a flight. Once I have messed up the time in my head. I've thought it's at X time, it was at Y time. Somehow I messed that up. In that sense, it was way gone when I reached. They were like, bro, this
like
flight
AM,
is...
PM types.
No, it was just a stupid mistake. That's all I'll say. It was embarrassing. But there was something going on in my
And this
life.
guy goes 2 hours before to the airport
Oh, you
and he missed a
go.
flight. I 50 minutes.
Yeah.
And still zero misses, guys.
Yeah, but that's,
Zero
that's just
misses.
wrong.
Okay, that's my goat right there.
Yeah.
That's wrong.
Zero misses.
That's wrong to live like that.
It's
Like,
not
No,
wrong to live at all.
I calculate exact how much.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
what is
Zero.
exact?
Like at 5 a.m. if there's a flight, I know you have to leave exact. It takes 50 minutes from my house. I know I have
Not
to leave.
always.
Bro, DJ Yatra you can easily
No,
calculate.
100%. Digiyatra is... Even I don't go 2 hours early because of
Yeah,
Digiyatra.
yeah.
But how can you say this 50 minutes thing?
The morning.
Yeah.
Morning there's no traffic.
Yeah.
It's exact 50 minutes.
Bro, you can never say for sure. I'm saying you have to keep a buffer.
Who
of-
wins Ankh now?
yeah.
Huh?
Oh, I think you
Being
have to take it back,
practical is
huh?
Ankh. If being
Yeah,
practical
yeah.
is Ankh, I'll take that title. Bro. Give me that title, bro.
You want the title
You
actually?
keep it. You
You
keep
have an
it.
Ankh title?
Bro, I have a certificate.
Oh my god.
No, but then if you give me this point, also we are tied right now.
No, give
because
it to him.
you gave
Just
him
give
one.
it to him. Just give it to him. Tell him to write
We are
it.
tied, bro. We are tied.
Oh, yeah.
Told it. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
It's me and Malala's signs.
Oh, thank you. Malala is
It's the only other Gen Z I
Oh,
could think
she's
of.
Gen Z, right?
Yeah. Imagine my
Nice.
search history. Malala sign.
Is that actually you actually searched
that's
as?
actually-
Thanks, man. You want to sign it?
I
Otherwise,
write it name
it's
first.
value. You want to reduce the value of the certificate by signing. Hey, give him. Take this, bro. Take Caro.
Hey, what the? Give it back.
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
keep
yeah, like
keep
that,
her on
right.
this.
I thought to
yeah,
give
yeah,
it.
yeah. Please.
We'll
Dude,
tie-
caravan.
Let's be tied, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Where
That-
were you? Oh, you've. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Let me see this guy's handwriting.
No, I couldn't because it was on
Oh,
my
yeah,
lap.
yeah, sure.
Oh
It's
boy.
just we all
Yeah,
know.
it's bad only. It's
Oh
like
my
mine only.
god, dude, you're
Bro,
learning
my-
alphabets.
Bro, my handwriting is beautiful. You guys don't know.
Dude, this is disgusting.
Well, who are you saving it for? Why are you not showing us?
Wow.
Awesome.
Can you
Good
guys do?
certificate.
Can you do a joint? Like.
Oh yeah, yeah. Joint, bro. We got into trouble for that one.
That's not a joint.
You know what I mean.
But
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
TYSM,
Thank
go
you so
go.
much for joining
let's
us. We'll hopefully we learned a lot about your generation today.
That's true.
This is
All the
also
best for your
Post-breakup.
single life.
single
Yeah.
life. Yeah, take
And
it.
ladies, a lot of ladies anyway over here. So
Oh yeah. Hey, nobody's looking at me when this guy is there, man. That's
Bro,
the
that's
problem.
guy standing
man.
in front of you. how will they see you?
eligible bachelor, guys, come on, let's
Eligible
go.
Please,
bachelor.
please, go
LFG.
cool. He's
He's a what?
I'm glitching. He's in tune with his sensitive side. you know.
Yes.
He has the courage to get on a terrace and talk about things. He's
is this a recurring
he's
gag every
he's a
time?
man written by women, which is what women want.
He stopped doing it because
No, he did
made
one
fun-
recently.
I know,
I
but
did recently, but you guys like made me take a hiatus
yeah, he
from
did.
it.
And then I
Hey,
asked him, why
sorry,
did you
man.
stop?
Hey.
And then he was like, because you guys. I was like,
Come
no,
on,
man,
bro.
come on.
That's a brittle spirit, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta go for it.
Spoken like
I
a
thought you
true-
were waiting for the nice clouds. This guy is tied up with the Met department.
Yeah.
When is the
Hey.
cumulonimbus showing up?
What
That's
is the
when-
Met? Oh, this like in India also.
Meteorological, yeah.
Yeah, it is a long word, It's tough to like You can't say uncle, right?
Yeah.
It's an unnecessary short for meteorological department. I can't short it. You will say unk.
Okay.
But yeah.
Your generation, I tell you.
Chalo, bye bye.
Awesome. Cheers.
See
Bye,
you,
bye, bye.